from 0 to 13,000, as I explained our first month, just adopting the systems and getting used to them, practicing them. But by month 8, which is crazy, we actually did just under $83,000 in total gross revenue, top line revenue that month. And I think that it just became a combination of all the different strategies online that we implemented and all these different traffic sources and channels that we had tapped into to bring these people to us, so we weren't chasing customers and we were growing the business. So one of the keys to scaling is not only generating more revenue, but making sure that that extra revenue is actually profitable and making you money. And one of the things I like the most is that Justin and Brenda, we collaborate on the data and the insights. So, every month, quarter, we're analyzing what the data is telling us so that we can better understand not only if we're making money, but how to make more money and continue to scale. So the insights, the data, and the collaboration of the analysis so that the data can tell us a clear story. That's what we do together every month and every quarter. So then moving forward, we can best allocate budget to maximize returns.